Jasmine, hold the bottom for me.
Just how many people take to open a small box?
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you're the one for me.
These all mean something. They're not just
Those are original characters.
And then these are current ones now.
Derived
Cool.
character.
You guys can help me learn Chinese.
So this
Oh, it means Chinese character.
does this look like fruits?
Got
it.
That look like fruits to you? It turns into this guo. That's fruit. So they show
Everybody
you.
say it.
Mango is mango.
That shows you how
Mind blown,
the
right?
character become like this. And then let's see. Yeah.
Cool.
New.
Yes,
That's a girl. New.
Alright, open it. Open it.
이거
Okay, it's Hanzi. Let's see. Ooh. Jasmine, hold the bottom for me.
Just how many people take to open a small box?
It's precious. Look at this rule book in English. It's also in Chinese. Okay. Oh, those Chinese characters.
So you're talking about?
Inside the box.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then this is 字. This is a little
For
token
character.
for character. This means character. And then this all the cards
Yay,
for
I'm
the
excited.
phonetics,
I'm Chinese
Yeah.
nerd. Yes.
the translation.
Okay.
Okay. And then these are the ancient characters.
So it's a comparison
And the-
between the
and
contemporary
the
and the
present.
ancient.
This is the
Oh,
present.
is that what it
I
is?
think
Yeah.
so.
Oh,
Cool.
I see.
So it's just
Interesting.
kind of like a learning flashcard, but you make it into a game.
So like even if someone speaks Chinese, they
Probably
not
won't
necessarily
know these
what
ones.
the
Yeah,
other
they
ones,
wouldn't
right?
know
It's like
this
the pictograph
ones.
kind
Yeah.
beforehand.
Oh, that's cool. So even they can learn.
Yeah. Even
That's kinda neat.
I can learn some of the old characters that I never learned before.
We can learn them all.
Wow.
Yeah, we do it together. Very nice.
Cool.
And
Hanzi. Hanzi.
all together now.
Hanzi.
I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me.